What's up everybody, it's Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on salmon chanterelle. It's seared salmon with a chanterelle mushroom cream sauce, and as always the attempt is to get the perfect pairing. So I'm going to start by searing my salmon. I've got a couple of fillets of salmon here and I'm going to get those seared. I'm going to start, my pan's hot already. I've got some olive oil and butter. I'm gonna season my salmon with some black pepper and salt. So I season the first side, and I'm gonna season this side as I've got it flipped over here. I'm ready to flip my salmon. So I've got my salmon fillet seared. I'm ready to make the mushroom cream sauce. So I'm going to start with a little bit of butter and olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and put my shallots in there. Saute those up. I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic to the shallots. I'm gonna add my mushrooms. All right, so my chanterelle mushrooms are softening up really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and add my wine. Chicken broth. I have my Dijon mustard. And my fresh thyme. I'm gonna allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes. So I've allowed my sauce to simmer and to reduce. It's actually thickened up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add some heavy cream. I'm going to allow this to simmer. I'm going to allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes. Everything's done. I'm ready to plate up. So you can choose any starch that you like to go with your salmon. I've actually chosen a wild rice and brown rice blend. So here's my seared salmon with chanterelle mushroom cream sauce and wild rice and brown rice blend. All right, so the salmon is done. I've decided to pair it with a 2020 Littorai Heintz Vineyard Chardonnay. I'm ready to go ahead and get at this. So immediately I'm seeing a straw color. Ooh, on the nose. Wow. What do we have going on here? Pears. Flowers, white flowers and pears. A little bit of peaches. Wow, really nice on the nose. Let's give it a taste. Wow, racy acidity immediately. First thing I noticed, the acidity is, it's there, it's present. I'm getting some green apple, some white peach. It's medium body. There's a lot of viscosity on the tongue. Nice coating on the tongue. Let's see what the salmon is doing here. So first I'm gonna try the sauce. Wow, it's really good. That's good. Salmon is fantastic. That's a world-class dish. Let's see if it pairs with the wine. Oh, absolutely it does. Absolutely, that's a pairing. Let's go back in and give it another shot. I want to double check, make sure for you guys, you know. Make sure I'm not wrong. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So there's a melange of things going on here. Wow. Let me just be sure again, once more. Could it be that perfect? Did I have to try it a third time? Just to triple check? Maybe. Wow. It's really good. I'm at a loss of words. I'm having a hard time trying to find words to really explain what's going on in my mouth right now. Yeah, earthiness with the mushrooms. There's a little punch from the Dijon in the sauce. The creaminess from the cream and the butter. It's just marrying really well with this Chardonnay. And Littorai makes a fantastic bottle of wine anyway. So, wow. And the wine is evolving. Over time, it's developing. This is a really good pairing. So for lack of a better way to try to describe this, the pairing is just sort of harmonious. I'm trying to find words to describe, you know, how the wine may enhance what's going on the plate, or what's going on the plate may enhance things in the wine. But the best way to describe it is the pairing is just harmonious. As I eat the salmon and I eat the sauce, I sip the wine, it just makes things taste better. For a lack of a better way of trying to tell you exactly what it is, it just makes it better. It's really a harmonious pairing. I really appreciate you all taking the time to watch my video today. For those of you that have not subscribed, please take this opportunity to subscribe to my channel. I actually drop regular videos where I pair my favorite recipes with wine. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.